everyone. If you are preparing for your tech interviews, I'm sure you are very much into algorithms, data structures, as well as time and space complexities. So, when we are talking about complexity, big O is the thing which comes into the picture. So, today I'm going to show you a very good link wherein you can just have a look at few of the important things before going for interviews. So, you can go and navigate to bigocheatsheet.com, and here you can see that a graph is shown here, and it is clearly telling you like which one is good, which one is bad, as well as excellent and the horrible ones. So you can see that factorial n, big O factorial n, falls under the very horrible category. So you can just brush up your concepts and just go through it once before leaving for interviews. And not only this, you can see here that here it is showing the complete summary of the common data structures like array, queue, stack, linked list, all these things, and their average as well as the worst complexity with respect to time and space both. Apart from this, you also have a table underneath which is talking about sorting algorithms and their time and space complexity. So this could be a very good cheat sheet for you whenever you are appearing for interviews. And if you would like to look into these concepts more, then these are the all these things are pointed to Wikipedia link. So you can go and have a look at these concepts, how are they working. But overall, what I'm trying to say is you can have a look at this quick cheat sheet and just grab it before going for interviews. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.